Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a little girl wearing a nice dress, and we see it from behind. For this, let's start the drawing, and we do the little outlines first to make sure that the drawings has a very nice shape. As you know, if you're able to complete the outlines nice, then definitely the drawing going to be the best one. So as you see here, this is the part of the shoulder, and we are drawing the outline like this: the body, the hands, and the skirt, the dress. All the parts are needs to be detailed and with nice outlook. All right, so the left side of the hands, it's extended like this. The border part like here, we draw the back of the shoulder little artistically, put the curves and few parts of the dress here. All right, so this is the basic outline, almost done. All right, so basic outline is complete. Now we need to do is make the bold appearance of the outlines now. So we're going to bold the part of the head on top here. As you see, we're making this one bold first. So we're putting the shades and the outlines of the hair with the pen. Little details in this ears here. As you see, after doing all the details, the head is becoming nice, visibly nice and pleasant. All right, little details on the left side of the body. Now we're working on the shoulder part and the details on the hands. This is the clothing the girl is wearing. All right, this line goes to the right side. This is the part of the skirt. We can put little dots here. The outline of the hands we see here, and the skirt, as we see, it comes to this point. All right, The more we go through the process, the more the things become nice. So this is the basic process of all the drawings. Do the details as long as it's possible, and you like to do. At first, you have to be enthusiastic or patient to do the drawing. If this thing makes interest for you, then you can do. But if you don't like it, then it's not possible. You have to like it and make these things interesting. This is the big thing for creation. As you see here, you are drawing the lines, and a nice things is becoming visible for your creation. Now you can put the shades to make these things better and to proceed little further. All right, let's do the back part of the girl. Little lively here. As you see, we're putting shades to the edge, the drawings becoming nice. The hair we can put the darker mode. All right, also we can do little detail work at the end part, that's in the bottom. Mhm. Let's do this part in the left side. The shades are darker in the edge and becoming lighter as we proceed to the center point. This is the right hand. All right, this part is darker as you see. The skirt, as you see here, it's a nice one. Design on the top and nicely designed in the bottom here. Let's draw few lines along with all the drawings here, outlines here. So that's how the skirt becoming nice. All right, so the drawing, as we see here, it's almost done. Only few outlines left. All right. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay with us. Follow the channel and subscribe the channel. Thanks for staying with us. All you need to do is do the practice and practice. Please subscribe. Have a good day.